Excellent. Goose. Yes. Duck. Keep it up. Pig. Great job. Cow. Way to go. What beautiful white bird lives on the lakes? Swan. Good thinking. Rooster. Nice. Who looks like a little horse? Pony. Exceptional. Goat. You'll get it. Sheep. Perfect. Who is very stubborn? Donkey. That's the way. Goat. You did it. Horse. You've got it. Great job. You guessed. Crow. Sweet. Who used to be the fastest mail carriers? Pigeon. All right. Who has colorful wings? Butterfly. Oh, yeah. Cat. You go. Who steals cheese and hates cats? Mouse. Bravo. Dog. Beautiful. Great job. Who can change skin colors? Chameleon. Dynamite. Who is small but super strong? Ants. Super. Canary. Superb. Who can talk like humans? Parrot. Phenomenal. Who lives in an aquarium? Goldfish. Good. Who carries its own house? Turtle. Hooray! Puppy. Good work. Which rodent hides food in his cheek? Hamster. Nice work. Who is called a pig, but is not a pig? Guinea pig. Excellent. Who makes a hissing sound? Snake. Yes. Kitten. Keep it up. Great job. What is the best food for pigeons? Breadcrumbs. Great job. Goats are known to give the most healthy milk. Way to go. What do hens sit on? Eggs. Good thinking. What does the cow give? Milk. Nice. What do you usually put in mousetraps? Cheese. Exceptional. Some cats like milk. Some cats like fish. Perfect. What do dogs love to chew? Bones. That's the way. Great job.